Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you guys all had a fantastic weekend. So today I'm gonna give you guys a quick update on where Bitcoin and crypto is going at the moment in time because we have had a changeover last night. The big thing here is, guys, is we talked about this during last night's stream that there was a good chance that Bitcoin was going to break above the 2-to-1 Ganfin level once the stock market opened up, and it opened up pretty well for us, okay, right? So then it came down. But luckily for us, actually, Bitcoin's been kind of separating off of the NASDAQ, which has been a huge thing, and we'll talk about that more tonight. But so far, we did break above the Ganfin level here. Let's check out the 15-minute chart. It was our level of resistance for a while. Finally broke out above it with some surging power behind it, so to speak. So whales are kind of pushing this as well. So our next big level of resistance, according to some of these different charts that we're going to check out here, is if we're going off of the Fibonacci extensions, which is the low, high, low, so to speak. Oops, there we go. The next big one that we're going to have to look for is around $32,793, so about $32,800 if you want to say it like that. This kind of matches up with some of the other Ganfin levels that we've been talking about. So if we're going over the Ganfin level, there we go, more of a long-term one, we have a level of resistance right now around 32,734. That's about, $50-ish less than the other support level. So we are going to be heading for a big resistance level up here. Hopefully, Bitcoin whales can continue to push us up even higher, up above this level. If not, we're going to see a curl kind of like this, and then probably just a complete drop off. One of the problems that we've been having over the past few days here, or past few weeks, is since we're in a bear market, every time we have one of these big pumps, we tend to have a pretty good time during the pump itself, but ultimately we come crashing back down every single time. We've just been having some bad days. It's a bear market, right? So I don't think this is the end of the bear market personally. So I would assume eventually we are going to be crashing back down. But until that happens, ride the wave. The wave could be really high, could be small. We'll have to wait and see. But at this moment in time, guys, this is a pretty nice wave to be riding. We just broke above a major level of support. We have a little bit of room before we hit some resistance level. So if you guys are looking to trade, altcoins may be your best thing here. As far as the other levels of resistance, this one is kind of out of our territory right now, kind of around 37,800 or so. Not too concerned about that. Going over here, we broke above this Ganfin level a few days ago as well. Let me go to the 15-minute chart. See, same type of concept. It was causing us some trouble. We broke out above this one, still breaking out above the next one right there. And according to this one, the next level of resistance is going to be around here at $35,000. If for whatever reason we start breaking above $33,000, I think we have a clear shot of going towards 35, and that's where we might get the huge rejection where whales kind of crash us back down, so to speak. That's what I'm really waiting for if we do have that nice pop. But for now, we're on a nice trajectory. We're going up pretty strong. Nothing to really complain about here. What you're going to be hoping for personally, guys, is what I'm looking at is any coins that are like negative for the day that didn't have a huge pop yesterday. If there's something lagging behind how much Bitcoin is popping, that's something that I want to get on top of and start doing some technicals and say, hey, Bitcoin's going up, this one isn't going up. I want to start buying some of this right now, probably with a 5 to 10x leverage play, and then from there ride the wave as soon as Bitcoin starts coming back up, okay? But for now, we just broke out. It's still looking pretty good. First level of resistance around $32,800. After that, $33,000, just a couple $100 more. And then after that, kind of a pretty big move up here towards 35,000. You can even see on this chart, Ganfin levels over here, Fibonacci levels up here. Could be a little bit of a problem, for shorts. But in the short term, guys, we're still bearish, guys. Don't get me wrong, but there's an opportunity for a lot of people to make some money here if you didn't buy in the first breakout, if you didn't buy above the breakout with the Fibonacci, or you didn't buy over this breakout, or if you want to buy this breakout finally, now's your chance, right? So there's been a few good opportunities to buy. Hopefully you guys have been able to make some money during this little bit of a boring, bearish conditions, all right? Have a great day, everybody.